Jaguars, and welcome back. We hope all of you had a fun and safe fall break. Today is Tuesday, October the 20th. Our menu for the week is today we're serving cheese sticks and marinara, on Wednesday crispy chicken on a bun, Thursday deli sub sandwich, and on Friday pizza. Jaguars, just before we let out for fall break, we learned that our cafeteria staff received a perfect 100 on their health inspection. It doesn't get any better than that, Jaguars. So a big way to go shout out goes to Miss Jennifer, Miss Sandra, Miss Amanda, and our second Miss Sandra. Excellent job, ladies, and you make us Jaguar proud. Also this week, Jaguars, is School Appreciation Week for our bus drivers. These amazing people deliver our Jaguars to school and back home safely each day. So please take time to thank them and let them know how much you appreciate them. Jaguars being back together after a long break, well, it is extremely important that we work together while practicing our 3 W's. Wash your hands often, practicing social distancing as much as you can, and please wear your masks. It's time to celebrate our Jaguar birthdays for the week. So a big happy birthday shout out today goes to Miss Hill, one of our ESL teachers. Celebrating a birthday on October 21st is Miss Burleson, one of our 3rd grade teachers. On October 22nd, 1st grade Cooper B, 1st grade Nora H, 4th grade Bethany S. On October 24th in 1st grade is Keziah D-F. And on October 25th, celebrating a birthday in 4th grade is Brianna G-J. And in 5th grade, Nick P. Hope all of you enjoy celebrating your birthday. Today we'd like to celebrate our Jefferson Jaguar Leaders of the Week. In kindergarten, Bella H., Carter L., and Lillian Q. In 1st grade, Braid S., Ryder L., Riley L., and Daniela M. In 2nd grade, Amelia C., Aviana V., and Miles P. In 3rd grade, Callie L., Ainsley B., Jacob J. And in 4th grade, David P., Riley B., Mason B., and Maggie M. And in 5th grade, Ella Kate H., Maddie W., and Whitney F. Way to go, our Jaguar Leaders of the Week. And now it's time for our words of wisdom. Jaguars, did you know that this month is National Principals Month? And today we'd like to highlight and celebrate our school principal, Dr. Potter. Her teaching career began on the elementary level in Lee County, Virginia, where she taught 2nd and 3rd grade students for 8 years. She then taught in Scott County, Virginia, where she taught 1st grade and then 4th grade students. The next 3 years, Dr. Potter served as the assistant to the principal at Robinson Middle School. Then she served as principal at John Adams Elementary for the next 4 years. Before coming to Jefferson, Dr. Potter was the director of professional learning at the Administrative Support Center for Kingsport City Schools. Dr. Potter is in her 2nd year as principal at Jefferson. I think all of us would agree being a principal during a national pandemic deserves many awards, multiple positive affirmations, lots and lots of air hugs, and an abundance of chocolate. So Dr. Potter, some of our Jefferson staff have shared some of their thoughts regarding you as we celebrate your work as our school principal. One teacher shared Dr. Potter is handling this crazy COVID time with classy respect for all who have been affected. Another one said, Dr. Potter puts her teachers first and looks out for their best interest. She is always trying to find a better way that would benefit the teachers under her care. Dr. Potter respects our time, tries to limit stresses on teachers. She sends positive notes to teachers, students, and parents. She is an encourager. The teacher goes on to say she is a super mom. She juggles being a principal and mom of twin kindergarten students. Another teacher wrote, I appreciate Dr. Potter's confidence in being vulnerable in front of others. She is always the first to admit if she doesn't know the answer to something, and she admits it in a confident yet humble way, while simultaneously finding the positive in the situation whenever possible. One of our newest Jefferson teachers shared this. I am so thankful for Dr. Potter. She was the first principal to take a chance on me and allow me to teach. I am living my dream because of her. Thank you, Dr. Potter. Dr. Potter leads with kindness and love for both students and staff. She is a quiet strength during this crazy year. She is always willing to listen to our concerns and is very kind. Another staff member said, in every conversation I've had with Dr. Potter, I am brought back to my time with her, learning about growth mindset. She has helped me to believe in my capabilities, the importance of having a positive outlook. She has also encouraged me to think about my personal talents and how those can influence others. Jaguars, so today we celebrate a difference maker. Dr. Potter, our school principal. Dr. Potter, thank you for all you do for your Jefferson family, and happy National Principals Month. Now, Jaguars, at this time, you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.